Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see one of the aptitude concept which is nothing but allegations and mixtures. See the formulas related to allegations and mixtures. Here the concept is all about the mixing of two or more ingredients. Okay. Let the mixing of two ingredients has been happened. One ingredient is of okay, high cost means you can call it as a dearer item, and one is called as a cheaper item. Okay, one is a dearer item, high cost item, another one is a cheap cost item. You mix it up well. Okay, and you will come up with a third grade quality, right? Another quality you will get mixture. And let the cost price of dearer item is A1 and cheaper item is A2, and the mixture cost price is A, and the quantity of the dearer item is N1, quantity of cheaper item is N2. Then you can write a formula as N1 by N2 equal to A minus A2 by A1 minus A. Okay. Now let me see some problems related to this concept. See, in what ratio rice at 930 per kg mixed with 1080 per kg. Here observe, it's a one quality rice and it is another quality rice, right? As you can see, this is a dearer item. So let me make A1 equal to 1080, and this is the second quality rice, cheap quality rice, A2 equal to 930, and they said that mixture cost is 1000 per kg. So mixture cost is A. Now they are asking us the ratio, right? Observe the formula. N1 by N2 equal to A minus A2 by A1 minus A. Here A1 equal to 1080, A2 equal to 930, A equal to 1000. Substitute the values on right hand side and you will get the ratio of mixing the two proportions, right? Now see, N1080 and 930 is 7 is to 8, which means you need to take 7 portions from the dearer item and 8 portions from the cheap item to mix up so that you can sell the mixture at 1000 per kg. And observe this one, there is a one quality of rice which is 930 per kg mixed with another quality of rice. We don't know the another quality of rice, how much cost it is, but they mixed in the ratio 8 is to 7. Okay, and they said that mixture worth is 1000 per kg. This is similar to that. See, the mixture worth has been increased, right? Which means this is A, and the initial one is the A2, the cheap item. It is mixed with some costly item A1, so that you will get a mixture price as 1000 per kg. And we don't know A1, right? So let me take as X. Okay, and they said the ratio in the of 8 is to 7. See the answer, A1 as X, A2 as 930 per kg, A is 1000 per kg, and N1 by N2 equal to A minus A2 by A1 minus A. N1 by N2 is nothing but what? 7 is to 8, right? Because the mixture ratio to the dearer item to the cheaper item is mixed in the ratio of 7 is to 8. So that you will get the cost of price of the dearer item. The next one, see here, there is a juice. The juice cost is 192 per liter. Okay, this is the juice, and mixed with another juice of quality 150, the cheap quality juice. Okay, so that you are so that mixture will be sold for 192. They are not given the cost price. They told that selling price of the mixture is 194 liters and the profit we got is 20%. If you know profit percentage and selling price, we can easily calculate the cost price of the mixture, right? Observe, profit percentage equal to selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100. This is a formula from profit and loss concept, so that you will get the value of cost price of the mixture, which is nothing but this. So the value of A will be 162, A1 is 192, A2 is 150, and A value is 162 rupees. Now you can substitute in this formula N1 by N2 equal to A minus A2 by A1 minus A. 192, 162 minus 150 by 192 minus 162, and you got 2 by 5, which is nothing but you need to take 2 portions from the dearer item, 5 portions from the cheap item to mix it well and to get a cost price of 162, and when you sold that mixture at 194, you will get a profit of 20%. See this one, how much water must be added to 60 liters of milk? That given the quantity N1 as 60, and they said that what, 1.5 liters costing 20 rupees. So 1 liter, see, 1.5 liters is 20 rupees. 1 liter will be how much? 20 by 1.5 means 20 by 1.5, you can write as a 15 by 10. So it will come here. 2 times, 3 times, 40 by 3. So the liter cost of milk is 40 by 3 rupees. And water cost is 0 rupees. Okay. Whether it is mentioned in the problem or not, you should take the water cost as 0 only. And we don't know how many liters of water has been added. We need to find that. And they said that what? The milk plus water has been mixed, and the mixture is costing 32 by 3 rupees. Okay. Now see, observe here. The milk cost A1 40 by 3, A2 is 0. This is a dearer item, a cheap item, A2 water, and the mixture cost is 32 by 3. And you can see here N1 by N2 equal to A minus A2 by A1 minus A. You substitute the N1 value, A1 value, A2 value, and A value, and at last you will get the N2 value, which is nothing but to the 60 liters of milk, if you add 15 liters of water, so that you can have a cost price of mixture as 32 by 3. Okay, and see, this is the related to this one. This formula we need to concentrate. The formula is, let me take a container and inside that a x liter of some content, either it may be a milk or a HCl or any acid like that. What I'm going to do is, I will take some y liters of content from that and I will replace it with water, y liters of water. And again I will remove y liters of content and again y liters of water. So you can observe, by doing this process, the concentration of the acid or the milk will reduce, right? So the concentration of acid by doing n times this task is 1 minus y by x to the power n, where x is the initial concentration, y is the number of liters of acid or water or milk, anything that you replaced, okay? And amount of acid remaining is nothing but x into concentration of acid. Now see the problem related to it. See the problem. A container containing 50 liters of milk initially, 50 liters, and from that what we are doing, we are continuously removing 10 liters of milk and pouring water into it. It means replacing with water, which means what? The concentration of milk will reduce, right? And this repeated for one more time, means totally it was done for 2 times. Okay, now see, amount of milk remained will be, what is the formula? X into 1 minus y by x to the power n, right? N value is 2 because it was done for 2 times. Y means we are replacing 10 liters every time. Initial milk content is 50, x is 50. You substitute every value here so that you will get. You starting with 50 liters of milk, as you are replacing 2 times the 10 liters of water, then you will get 32 liters of milk at last. Okay, and this is all about the models related to allegations and mixtures. Please practice the problems related to these models. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.